So today's video is inspired by Country Charm by Tracy, and I will link her channel below. I ran across her video and she made a wreath using a Dollar Tree splatter screen, so I thought I would try to recreate my own version of it. Stay tuned, you'll see how it comes out. So to begin, I just picked out several bunches of flowers to make a bouquet, and I'm going to zip tie these together. And I'll be using the splatter screen that has the handle on it. I will take some jute twine and wrap the handle and also make a hanger. And as you can see, as I wrap the twine around, I will add a little hot glue every 3 or 4 times I wrap around, just to keep it in place. And once that is complete, I will position my bouquet on the wreath, and I'm going to use a chenille stem to tie that onto the splatter screen. I will tie it at the bottom, and then I will go in near the top of the bouquet as well to give it more support. And here's what it should look like. I'll also be using this sign from the Dollar Tree, and I will hot glue some chenille stems to the back of it and then run those through the splatter screen to tie it in place. And here's what we have so far. Now I will be making a layered bow. I'm going to use this black and white buffalo check. I'll also be using white burlap and then a decorative ribbon as well. I will be attaching the bow using another chenille stem run through the splatter screen in the back, and then I will add some raffia to the front of the bow. And here's what we have. It's looking pretty good. I will go in and add some leaves around the edges just to fill in those places so you cannot see the splatter screen. Okay, and it's just about complete, and I will display it for you. So here it is, guys. I think it turned out really cute, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, I was inspired by a country charm by Tracy, and I will link her video below. And I also have a fall playlist if you're interested in taking a look. The link's below, so check it out. Thanks again for watching. Thank you to my supporters. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.